Something can't just be nodding your head. All right, so this is a property I wanted to bring you to check out, Jack. This is one of the ones we had in the portfolio, one of the 5 that we bought for $18,000. What do you think about it?
It definitely needs work.
So how do you feel about this being your first property to work on?
It feels good. It's probably gonna take a minute because it's run down.
But would you want to start on something like this challenging as your first property?
Oh yeah, I feel like it's cooler to do the harder ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Bruh, I thought you were going to say, let's do something easier to get my feet wet. You'd rather start on a harder one?
Mm-hmm.
That's what your dad said. Your dad said, just throw you in it, let you get ready. And I was like, nah, let's look for something easier. Well, I'm shocked. So, Maury, what you think about the property?
I don't know.
We got your tools. All right, well, let's go take a look inside. You been inside this one?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. Jackson, let him come before you. So this is it. What would you do in here?
For this, I would definitely open up that wall to make it more open because I don't even know what this is supposed to be.
I think this place is like between 900 to 980 square feet. So I guess this was supposed to be the living room. So when you first walk in, so you open this up, take this wall down.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go through. Where you want to go? I'll follow you. Huh?
Feels good, yeah.
Yeah, that breeze does feel good. Look, so when I look at this tells me that at one point in time, I guess it had central air because those are the vents. But when the ductwork ran underneath the house. So what would you do in here?
I think I'll make this a living room, and then I like that exposed brick.
Oh, so you can keep that?
Yeah.
That's a chimney.
I think I would refurbish that and make it like into something new.
Okay, I like exposed brick too, but I don't know, we'll see. So this will be gone, right? So when you come in, you will see all of this?
Yeah, that would be good.
All this will be gone. So would you make this a 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom?
Probably 3-bedroom.
2-bedroom? Why?
I feel like it would increase the value in the house.
You're absolutely right. The more bedrooms and bathrooms you have, it increases the value. So, okay, definitely the roof needs to be replaced because you can see straight through to the ceiling. And then we can see the leak that's been coming down through here. So this looks to me like the kitchen was over here. So where would you put the kitchen? Because we're taking this wall down, so now you got the living room. You got this open. Would this be your kitchen and dining room here?
Yeah.
It would? All right. So then, where would you put your bedrooms? You can go ahead and look through. Go ahead and look through. Watch out for nails. Watch out for nails.
I would probably make this a bedroom since it's a bathroom right here. I'll combine this.
I never even thought about that. So you would make probably like that bathroom right there and make this like maybe a primary?
Yeah.
Cut half of this into a primary?
Yeah, I'll make that a walk-in. And then this room right here.
You have to speak up so we can pick you up on the camera. I didn't bring a microphone.
It could be like those two can be bedrooms, and then that can be a bathroom. They could both be like a walkway to the bathroom.
So how many bathrooms?
It'd just be one bathroom right here. So, I mean, it could be 2 bathrooms for the main bedroom, but like I'm saying, that can be a bathroom right there. Then 2 bedrooms, and you can walk into the bathroom.
Oh, sharing it, like a Jack and Jill.
Yeah.
Okay. So you'd want the primary bedroom to share a bathroom with somebody else, or would they have their own bathroom?
I'll probably let them have their own bathroom.
Yeah, that would be the best thing. So, okay, so we do want to make it 2 bath. And you're right, this is a bathroom right here. So I would probably leave this. It would be easier, less money, to leave this as the guest bathroom probably. and then create, and because it's right there, the plumbing's right there, make this a bathroom. Watch out. Make this a bathroom, because we can just plug right back into the plumbing here. And, then make this the primary bedroom. So you got a good idea, primary bedroom, and then probably another bedroom, or either a closet. Somehow or another we gotta get 3 bedrooms, huh?
Yeah.
So, I don't know, we may have to extend the back. We have to, extend the back, but I think I would make that the primary. Have the bathroom right there, have that there, kitchen, living room. And actually, that's a big kitchen with a living room. So really, you were saying like half of that could be a bedroom?
Yeah.
I agree with you. Yeah, half of that over there could be a bedroom, because that's a big area. We gotta make the most use of our space. So a bedroom, kitchen, living room, primary, bathroom, and another primary. I mean another living room. And then you got your 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Oh, that's pretty cool. So let's can you pan in there, camera guy? Just show them what we're looking at back there. And then you can show them that bathroom. So it looks like the ductwork is ran underneath the house for the unit. How does the flooring feel?
Definitely feel like if I jump hard enough and fall through.
Jump and see. Go ahead. Alright, so we definitely gotta check out the foundation. So certain spots though is really, really strong.
Yeah.
It's weak right there because it's been leaking through the ceiling. They tried to repair the roof, but they didn't do a great job. So that's something that we would definitely have to do, is replace the entire roof. So the great thing about this house though, is it's already gutted. Unlike the other house that we started, we had to gut everything. That took a lot of time. But this is already gutted, so it's like we're starting from scratch. We can just go ahead and get going.
Yeah.
Would you add on, or would you just leave everything the way it is and just go ahead in here and just make it do what it do?
I think I'll make it do what it is.
That's smart, because you save time and you save money. Definitely need mirrors. Definitely need windows.
I mean, if I were to add on, it'd probably be for like a washing machine. If I don't have enough space for that.
Now I do like that, because I think we got this area back here, but yeah, I do like that. Adding on a little bit back here for a washing machine and dryer, so laundry room. You're right, and then you got everything. You got your kitchen, you got a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and you got laundry access. So you would actually really want to start this project first instead of finding something easier?
Yeah.
Do you understand there's a lot of materials that you gotta order? You gotta get your electrician in, because this place gotta be rewired. You gotta get your plumber in, because it's gotta be replumbed. Your roofers, everything. You'd wanna start this first instead of going to a project that might take you only a month. Because this is probably gonna take 2-3 months. Okay, all right, you said it. I'm shocked, but you said it. All right. So, I guess this is the project we're gonna get started on next then. Jackson is gonna be co-managing with me. You guys are, you just came in to see what this project looks like. This is his first time ever being in here. Of course, my grandson been in here before. He brought his tools, he was ready to work today. But I wanted to bring Jackson in just to see how he assessed the property and what he would do. And I like your ideas. I really do. That's a lot of space in that attic too. Would you leave the unit and the ductwork running underneath the house, or would you take it up top in the attic?
Which one would cost more money? Would it be cheaper to leave it under?
It probably would be cheaper to leave it under, but I'll be very honest with you. I would run it up, because you don't have to worry about any animals messing with the ductwork. It's easy to get to because it's a lot of room in that attic. And I just feel like it's protected. It's more protected. Yeah, so I would say let's take it up in the attic. Okay, well, let's look at the outside.
So
Is it hollow?
So the good thing, this foundation around the house looks pretty good. This porch is actually decent. It's not falling apart, so that's a great thing. All we have to do is just tear all this crap down, but this foundation is good to go. Nice porch. Sit right here in the front yard, see everything's going on. Of course, we need to get rid of these trees though, or either trim them up. But other than that, this will be a nice porch. I can see this being built beautifully. Taking this up higher and putting up a nice wooden beam post. Oh yeah, this will be amazing. And I'm sure our neighbors will be happy when we fix this up because theirs is so nice over there, and they got this nastiness over here. So what do you think? How do you feel?
I feel great. Honestly, like this.
You like this house?
Ready to take on the challenge.
Okay, baby boy. Oh, you sure? All right, now I don't want to hear nothing about when I'm like, hey, get on the computer. I need you to order some supplies from Lowe's. So we ready for this? Well then let's do this. Let's clean up the block. Let's clean up this block and make it do what it do. Sue Ham, baby, and
Jackson.
peace, y'all.